with your support, I actually cracked two opportunities, frankly. One was with Varroc Engineering Limited. It's a purely automobile Tier 1 supplier company. And the other one is a KPMG. You are aware of KPMG. It's one of the big fours in sustainability and auditing firm. So, because I am more prone towards auditing and sustainability experience and ESG, I am finally deciding to opt for that KPMG offer. Not because they are offering me a good salary, but they are offering me a good profile as well, and that profile will be beneficial for me in the longer run. M&M right now I'm getting 32 CTC, 32 lakh CTC cost to company. Fixed is around 28 and 4 is around variable. And in KPMG I would be getting around 44. Fixed is around 39 and 3.5 4 lakhs is around 5 lakhs is around variable. So that is the growth what I have got, sir.
How are you doing?
I am doing great, sir. Frankly, with your support, I actually cracked two opportunities, frankly. One was with Varroc Engineering Limited. It's a purely automobile Tier 1 supplier company. And the other one is a KPMG. You are aware of KPMG. It's one of the big fours in sustainability and auditing firm. So, because I am more prone towards auditing and sustainability experience and ESG, I am finally deciding to opt for that KPMG offer. Not because they are offering me a good salary, but they are offering me a good profile as well, and that profile will be beneficial for me in the longer run. Only for the simple reason is I will be dealing with lot of clients with variety of setups, IT, infrastructure, automobile, pharmaceutical and all. And I will be getting an immense amount of experience of auditing, preparation of carbon strategy, water strategy for them. So it will be a good boon or good boost for me. Actually, it's a 360-degree paradigm shift in my entire career in KPMG. So I am finally deciding to go for KPMG, and yes, that is it from my side.
I think you've looked at the right factors in terms of what challenges you more and gives you a better fit in terms of your your unique profile, and also where you will have greater growth opportunities in the future.
Right.
So, where were you working earlier, and what was the position, and what were these offers like?
I am in Sir Mahindra & Mahindra Limited at Chakan, Pune for past 15.5 years.
Okay.
And I am working as a senior manager, sustainability and ESG. I am basically environmental engineer with safety diploma. And since beginning of my career, I am into this core field only, environmental sustainability. For today's role, that is what I am looking in Mahindra & Mahindra. It is development of sustainability strategy for my own manufacturing plant based on the strategy what we receive from the group sustainability. That is my profile here. It's a purely automobile company. Mahindra & Mahindra, you are aware of the company.
Yes.
So that is it from my side, from Mahindra & Mahindra.
And what was your compensation at M&M?
M&M right now I'm getting 32 CTC. 32 lakh CTC cost to company. Fixed is around 28 and 4 is around variable. And in KPMG I would be getting around 44. Fixed is around 39 and 3.5 4 lakhs is around 5 lakhs is around variable. So that is the growth what I have got, sir.
Got it. And this of course exposes you to multiple industries.
Yes, definitely. And I will be helping them for preparation of their strategies from the carbon, water, wastewater and reduction of actually resource conservation, you can say like that.
I think this is going to be a very hot area with everything that the country is doing in Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Right, sir.
The number of industries that are going towards manufacturing and becoming a factory for the world, especially now if you look at semiconductors and LED lighting and all of these, there is just so much happening on that side. KPMG will get some very, very good opportunities and big clients for you to be able to work with. Does this also include effluent?
Yes. It is water, wastewater, carbon, renewable energy, and paper, plastic, rubber, everything. Including deployment of their policies, for example, gender diversity, then sexual harassment policy. So the companies who are looking for the ESG strategy, I would be helping them for the complete development of the strategy.
Excellent. Very good. And so I would suggest that the way going forward now, Vinay, would be that you have access to the level 3 program.
Yes, 90 days after after you get the offer, right? After you join the company, first 90 days.
Right. So what I would suggest now is that you start watching it immediately.
Okay.
It'll take you about 3 days or so to complete it.
Okay.
And the advantage of this program is that it is going to teach you how to onboard correctly.
Okay.
Because see, when you join a new organization, then everybody is looking at you.
Okay.
Everybody's trying to figure out that by you coming in, what is the change that they will experience in their day-to-day work.
Okay.
And at that time, you're still in the process of understanding their systems, their behaviors, their code of conduct, their processes, their go-to-market strategy. All of that is yet in the process of, sitting into your mind. And your early success or early failure in a new role is the best indicator of your overall success or your overall failure. So level 3 is going to expose you to a 10-step strategy in how to onboard correctly.
Okay.
So that you can produce the right value by consuming the right value.
Right, sir.
So for the first 90 days or so, you will be learning about the company and aap jam rahe hoge. And once that happens, if it happens correctly, if you play the game correctly, and that's what level 3 will show you, then your ability to create value in your role will cement your position there where you will become one of them. You'll get culturally assimilated.
Okay.
And at that point, trust is fully established. Therefore, your ability to create change in the system also begins to come alive.
ठीक है, understood.
So, if you want to leave your own mark, अगर अपनी छाप छोड़ दी है वहाँ पे, तो then, this is the right way to onboard, and it will take you very deep. It's not a very long course, but it's a very meaningful course, and you already have access to it on Teachable.
Right.
So, when is your start date?
5th of May.
5th of May. Okay, so you have sufficient time now.
Right.
To be able to watch this and take detailed notes as you're going about it, because this will help you understand what are the conversations you need to have, how you need to build alliances across the organization, how to estimate who is going through what kind of situational pressure, how influence works within the organization and specifically, within the group and the people that you work with. So, what conversations you need to have with your supervisor or your boss as you begin, and then even as you show success, so that you can continue to grow. So, in the next, I would say about a year's time, you will be at a point where you can come back to level 2 and then run the level 2 framework again.
Okay, understood.
And at that point, there is no reason, because see, don't let the policy of these big 4 impact the acceleration that you are going to achieve.
Understood.
Very well grow within KPMG, and there is no reason in about a year's time to start the campaign again. So in 2-3 months from there, you could very well be targeting positions of 60-70 lakhs in CTC.
Understood.
But that will only happen if the value that you deliver this year is extreme.
Understood.
So, with this clean slate, there is a tremendous opportunity. And see, your stability is not in question, because in your previous role, you were there for 15 plus years.
Right.
So they know that here is somebody, you can't fake your way through 15 years. There has to be very credible and strong performance and, a track record of progressive responsibility. That's the only way you can go this long in a company.
Right.
So, that's what I would suggest, is this would be the way to go forward from here.
Definitely. I will start learning those modules. Definitely, I will do that. 100%. In fact, I was looking to talk to you only, when to start that call. After joining or before joining. So I will start. Definitely, I will start.
That is specifically made to help you get started in the right way. So the correct thing to do would be to now watch that, take detailed notes, understand that framework fully, apply it so that you can onboard in a solid manner, and then start paying attention to all of your responsibilities, building the relationships, the credibility, the performance, the results, and then in about a year's time, coming back to using level 2 and taking a further jump up.
Yes, understood. I will do that, definitely.
Excellent. Well, I'm very happy for you, Vinay, and it's been very nice to chat with you.
Thank you, sir.
If there's anything else I can do, feel free to reach out to me. I'm just an email away.
Definitely. I will start reading the module, and if there is any question, I will definitely write to you, because I know you will be definitely replying to me within a span of 48 hours.
Yes, I'll try to do it even sooner if I can.
And sir, actually, this got I use a referral methodology. Referral methodology. The 3 letters you posted, na? Business development, referral, and all. So one of my senior colleague's daughter is working over there. So I wrote to her, and then I got the interview call and all. And the most important question you imbibed in my mind is, what are the different value propositions you are going to give to the company? So that was like a stamp in my mind, and I prepared 5 different varieties of answers for that typical question. नया कंपनी के लिए क्या लेके आओगे? So I said कि भाई, I am hardcore environmental engineer with a safety background, with all the legal requirements in place, and I have experience in manufacturing for past 21 years. So it's a good value for you. So that answer got impression, and then they selected me.
Correct. Now though, a lot is happening in that industry with BS6 and everything also coming live. There must have been a lot of work on your desk given all of the changes and the regulatory environment within the automotive industry. तो काफी कुछ देखा होगा आपने.
हाँ, और दूसरा सर ऐसा है कि मैंने कंसल्टेंसी क्यों चूज की, बिकॉज देन इट विल बी अ डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ वर्क ऑल टुगेदर. करेक्ट. बहुत सारी इंडस्ट्रीज के ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा, एंड 1 साल के बाद माय बायोडाटा इज टोटली डिफरेंट एक्चुअली आफ्टर 1 year.
Yes, and you know, the beauty of this would be that it will be able to showcase that you have the ability to learn an entirely new, different and new industry quickly.
Right.
Because you know how all of this comes to life and applies to each industry is slightly different.
Yes, definitely.
So you know, I mean, I think that will be a huge step up, because I can see. How old are you now, Vinay?
45 exactly. Started last month only.
Excellent. So I don't think there is any reason why you should not make it to a C-level role in the next 3 years or so.
Right.
You continue to apply the system appropriately. It may not be at a very large company. It may be more at a mid-sized player. I think the opportunity for you to be a bigger fish in a smaller pond will definitely be, a strong one. So in about 3 years, there is no reason why you are not looking at roles around the 1 CR mark.
Yes, I will definitely try for that with our module and methodology.
Yeah, but the thing is that it will take solid work. I mean, it's not going to happen without that. So as long as you are committed to putting that in, there is a very different kind of life that you're building. And I want you to know that abhi to shuruaat hai. This is just the beginning.
Right. This is just a beginning for new role.
Right.
Excellent. Okay. Right, sir. I keep posted, sir, frankly.
Please do that. And it's been a pleasure to connect with you. My best wishes to you and to your family.
Thank you, sir.
May you make the most of this role, and I'm looking forward that when we next speak, you will have even bigger and better news.
Yes, 100%. I will definitely meet you. I will definitely meet you when I will be in Chennai for some work. Of course, if you are available, and I will be in touch with you through Gmail. No problem. 100%. Right. Yes.
Thank you, Vinay. All the very best to you.
Thanks for all the support, sir. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye.